A common problem on this type of car is with the rear lights. That is the issue that we will be looking at today. The first thing we do when we have the board in our hands is to check the power lines and grounds of each lamp. So we started with a basic tool to check the power supplies and grounds.
Using a multimeter, we can very easily see where the problem is.
After a series of measurements and visual checks, the problem was identified in the grounding pin of the car wiring connector. As you can see, the grounding pin has deposits from a bad contact and the excess voltage has burned this pin. This problem is common in cars with this type. So how can we fix it, and even better, how can we make it not happen again? So we start to clean all the contacts. We use a contact cleaning spray to begin with. A good strategy is to sandpaper all the contacts. Lamp contacts, but also that of the connector with the factory wiring, and especially that of the grounding pin.
We are in no hurry and wait until the contact metal takes on its brightest color and clean all the deposits. If we want to apply a more permanent solution, then it is good to follow the following procedure. We will need a soldering iron and a piece of wire. Since we have these tools, we proceed to glue this cable in order to have extra grounding so that the amperage does not pass through the wiring pin, and to additionally help the current flow. After the cable we added, we can connect it to a screw of the chassis of the car, earthing, and thus we will have a better solution in terms of life. After doing all the above, a test will tell us about the good operation. This is the solution to a common problem in cars of this type. If you like the video, subscribe so you don't miss the new videos of our channel, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us to make new video. Until the next video, stay tuned.